Saging dribble. Binigay kay Vidal sa balang kanan, and to jumper. Now, he runs back pass. It puts in number 27. Isa laban sa dalawa. Jason Pau. Okay, shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Gamay na lang oras. Shoot.
Just number 27. Connect. 2-1. Higyak. 69. Sumugoy for 3. Tama. Sayang. Mamikas. Okay. Time out. Secret. 3 minutes and 19 seconds.
Nagulagaw na gan. Bye-bye!
Gamay na lang. Gamay na lang. Wala lang dong din. Alhin speakers. Landong.
18, 16. Lamang ang secret.
Okay, back to the game.
Lamang ang ano.
Lamang ang pinipod.
Ang
Gani ako ni paulit-ulit sa iyo.
Okay, secret basketball.
Wala ka na sa'yo. Wala nyo ka na sa'yo.
Jan?
Second quarter. 3 minutes, 19 seconds. Okay, Hiran. Shot clock 14. Hiran driving, drop pass, si Pau. At bawat doon parang elbow.
No, shoot.
Okay, Vidal na yan. Binigay kay Francisco. To jersey number 19. Get up. Basket is good. Datoon, firing from 3 now. Jersey number 9 for the rebound to Francisco. Spin. Francisco driving, drop pass. Jersey number 0. With 2 points. 22-16 ang ating score. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Hiran, pumping. Binigyan ng 50 feet tayo. Hiran, driving. But there's a goal. Foul, jersey number 0. Illegal, contact to the head. First personal foul. Foul number 01. Datoon. Sumoy na. One minute and 10. Out of bounds.